Today I'm going to make you a Portuguese. Hi guys! Today I'm going to make you a Portuguese sangria. I'm in Portugal, and this is their traditional drink. If you go to a restaurant, it's always there. They're sipping their sangria by the river. So it's a really nice drink, and I'm gonna try to make it as authentic as possible. So let's go and make this drink. First thing first, you need to have some fruits. I'm gonna use oranges, lemon, green apple, mint. You can add whatever, like they use some passion fruit in restaurants, or red fruits like raspberry, strawberries, blueberries. But I'm gonna go a bit citrusy this time because I'm gonna use a white wine for my sangria. You might say, why white wine? Because I enjoy it a bit more, but like traditionally it should be a red wine, but you can go with white, fizzy wine, and even green wines. First thing first, you need to slice your fruits. Let's slice them up. I'm gonna use a lemon, but you can add lime as well if you enjoy it. Okay, I sliced my fruits up. Then you need to have a pitcher. I'm gonna use this bottle, but better to slice it even in smaller pieces so I can take the fruit out later on. You will add your fresh fruit, whatever you enjoy. I'm gonna add a couple of mint leaves, fresh mint, and make it much more fresh. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sugar. It depends how much sweet you would like your drink. I don't like it that much sweet, but yeah. That's from my sugar. Then you can slightly muddle the whole fruit to bring out the flavors. I'm gonna add my ice next. And by the way, you need to chill your wine because like this drink needs to be served as cold as possible. I'm gonna add a bit of ice just to make the process quicker because I forgot to chill my wine. Then you will add your white wine. I think this much will do. Let me just the tissue. Another famous thing is like port wines. This is what we saw the barrels actually by the river in Porto. It's really cool. If you visit Porto, you should definitely go there and have a look for yourself. I'm gonna add 3 shots. And finally, you can add a shot of gin, whiskey, like a bit stronger liquor in. I'm going with a shot of whiskey here. Oh, actually a shot and a half. You need a spoon, but I'm gonna go with my muddler. Just mix all the drinks. Normally, you need to rest it for an hour. Some people do in restaurants for a day even, just to bring out the flavor and make it a bit more delicious. But I don't have that time, so I'm gonna chill it for, let's say, an hour-ish. And then, once your drink is ready, what you need to do is just pour this into a glass, top it up with like sparkling water or Sprite, like anything soda. I'm gonna use a 7-Up here. But yeah, that's all. Give me an hour, I'll be back. So, I'm back. I couldn't wait more than half an hour, but I think it will do the job. Here's my mix, my sangria. what you need to do, add some ice to your glass. I'm gonna use my hand, this is my own drink. Then I will add my fresh fruit slices in. It was apples, oranges, and lemon. I will open up my sangria, give it a bit of a mix, and oopsie, pour it in. To make it fizzy, as I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna add a bit of Sprite. Don't forget your mint. And press it in. And voila, that's it. Here's your fresh sangria, perfect for this hot weather. I'm gonna go sit, enjoy it by the pool. It's 24 degrees, unlike in the UK, but you can have it anywhere, every day, for your brunch, any time of the day that you enjoy. Cheers to you. So nice. Definitely, you should try it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As you know, we're Tipsy Duo. I'm going Uno, and that's all. See you for the next video.